Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can turn on or turn off dark mode on Wise app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wise app. So once you open your Wise app, all you need to do now is simply tap on the profile like icon on the left hand side of the screen. So once you do so, go and tap on settings option where you can find the dark mode option at the end. Now you can simply tap on to turn it on and tap on off to turn the dark mode off. So by switching the dongle on and off, you can choose the mode of your Wise app accordingly. Or you can also choose to put it on auto for automatic setting. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.